Hey guys, today for you I have a quick video where I will be opening cards. I know this is little, but I don't have much money, so yeah. I will get more because my birthday's coming up, but let's see what we got. We got Sneasel, Seedot, Flabébé, Shinx, Stunky, Rapidash, Furret, Pokemon Center Lady, Dusclops, Nuzzelf, and the card. Let's see. Is this pretty good? Yeah. Short video. Bye.